Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to unbox my GoPro Hero 12 Black Creators Edition. Yes, here is my GoPro and we are going to unbox this in a few minutes. Story about having or purchasing about this GoPro is that my husband's gift for me on my birthday. It just came in a little bit late. It's because he realized that he needs to talk to me about this first before he purchased it online. He knows how much I love creating video, taking videos everywhere, documenting our adventures together. So here it goes. And also guys, before he purchased this one, he's supposed to like surprise me, but the thing is, he's like, okay, I have to talk to her about this because I need to have the microphone, I need to have the lights, you know, those kind of stuff, so you could get the video or you can get the images nice and perfect, you know. Guys, let's unbox this, and I'm so excited about this one. I'm so excited to use it because this one has so many features, and I still don't know if I can, you know, figure it out. So let's open it up. Still not open. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's very inside, guys. Oh, can you see that? I almost dropped it, slip in my hand. And there is thing inside. Oh my goodness. Oh, this 256 gigabyte. Okay, that one is done. 2 pieces of 200 gigabytes. So we have that, and here we go. We are now going to unbox. You excited? Just like I am. Well, they wrapped this one very, very good though. So. Ooh. Alright, wow! Look at that! Here we go guys, this is what it looks like for that GoPro Hero 12 Black Creators Edition. So let's try to unbox this. It's not going the right way. Alright, there you go. I am so excited. Right. Ta-da! Oh, this case is so pretty. The casing itself is GoPro brand. Right, so let's open this up and see what are the things that's included in this thing. Ta-da! Oh, there are so many things in here. So let's see. Subscribe GoPro for the best experience. Next is questions. These are the manuals. For starter like me, how are we gonna protect our GoPro? Alright, so let's take a look at everything one by one. Oh, casing. You have to put your camera. Next is, what's this? Oh, what is this? Okay, we'll see later on. Is the camera itself right here. Oh, wow. We're gonna open that later on. Let's see everything inside. It's included here. Wow. This is a bit heavy. This is the... Okay, we're gonna put this all together later on. Okay, so let's just see what's included. Ooh. Let's take a look at everything. Okay, here is the screw to mount your GoPro. Maybe I'm right or wrong. There you go, where you can attach the GoPro right here and later on. And here is the what's this, holder. This one is adhesive if you want to put this inside your car, in your dashboard or everything like that. I hope I'm right. And this is for the microphone. I think this is for the microphone to cancel the noise and everything, protection for your microphone. This, what is this? GoPro. I think this one is like go this way, like that. Charging cable. The same cable. What else? What is this? What else inside? Oh, that's about it. Those are the things that includes if you're going to order the GoPro Black Hero 12 Creators Edition. Oh, I already know what this one is. This is the light. Oh, this one is the battery. I forgot that. Okay, so let's go. Let's open up the GoPro. I am so excited with this. Oh, see that? Well, it's not open everything yet, so let's try to open this. Wow, don't give me a hard time peeling this off, okay? Right. Oh my goodness, wow, that is so pretty. And here we go. Here is the... Oh, see? This is so nice. Very small. Okay, so here you go. This is where you are going to put your mount like that. Here we go, guys. These are all the things that includes if you are going to order the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creators Edition. Okay, so a quick video. These are the cables. This is the mount. This one is for, I think if you're going, I'm not sure yet, but we are going to attach everything, all this later on. So this is the mount where you can put your camera right there. And this one, to a mic. This is the battery. This is the light. Let's see. Ooh, see? There's a light in there. So pretty. Let's turn it off. Oh, a lot brighter. Okay. No, how am I gonna turn this off? Maybe it's long press. So here is the GoPro itself. Here, the microphone, you know, you're going to put it like that. To cancel the noises. Here is what I love. You can use this as a tripod, a selfie stick. You can also like charge your GoPro in here, right there, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it's so heavy, so you can charge this one. And here you go. There's a strap in here, which is really useful because you don't want to drop your GoPro, right? So that is very useful. And also the these are the paperwork right there, all the instructions manual right there. And I love this too. If you're going to order, this is included right here. This is a very nice casing. So this is nice. You already have a bag that you can use if you're going to pack your GoPro in a safe place. Those are the things that includes if you're going to order GoPro Hero 12 Creators Edition. Just for you to have you know, idea what's included. Okay, this is what it looks like. A GoPro Hero 12 Black. Oh, that's how it looks like right there. That is so pretty, right? So alright guys, the first thing we have to do is to open the battery, to put the battery inside first so we can use it. It's a little bit hard. It's tight. Alright guys, so here we go now. We can now set our camera, put the disc first right here, right inside. There's a very small space right there, if you could see it, the teeth right there, where we're gonna put the micro SD card is. Okay, so let's see. Facing, the way we put this one is that like this. The red ones right there, like the color red right there, and then we are going to, this is a little bit tricky guys. Okay, so we're just gonna put this in all the way and then push it with our finger like that so it stays in place. Alright, so there you go. See, if you want to remove it, all you have to do is that push it, and then it will gonna pop up. Okay, and the next is our battery like that, and then push it all the way. Here you go. Alright, so now it's ready to set this up. We're gonna set this up now. Turn it on. Ooh, pretty. Okay. Alright, English is right. Alright, let's going to set this up. Next is agree. Okay, turn on to control your voice. Yes, let's turn that on. And voice control language is set in English. Confirm. Alright, mic battery check 20%. Okay, so next what we are going to do, what's next? Okay, let's follow the instruction. First, it said we have to download that. So this is the link right there. So we are going to download that first. So let's scan the code and we are going to open that and download that in our cell phones. Okay, and then yes, we're gonna download that first. Alright, there you go. It's downloading right now. Let's just wait until it gets done. Alright guys, so what we are going to do now is we are going to assemble the camera or attach everything. So here are the things that we need for this. Just the tripod or the stick handle, the camera itself, the light, the screw, the noise cancellation, and this. So the first thing we have to do is to, since this one is already like has a built-in like where you can put or charge your camera right there. So what we have to do is that we have to take this, we're gonna take this off first, the cover of your battery in the camera. So we're gonna take this out. See. And this one we have to open this, open it like it's struggle. Alright, so next is insert this from that into that right there. There's the battery charging, and that one right there, if you can see it. So it's a little bit hard, so there you go. Alright, and we can just close this like that. So yeah, there you go. Next is we are going to put the light like that. All we have to do is slide this light, slide all the way. Alright, the next is this noise cancellation, or yeah, noise cancellation, I think that's what they call for the. Alright, just slide that in. Alright guys, next is we are now going to put this like that. Make sure that the hole is aligned into this, so you can just easily slide the screw right there. Alright, there you go. Oh wow. Make sure that you have to like tighten it up properly, okay, to make sure that the camera is secure. There you go guys, see, it's so pretty. And sometimes, and if you want to charge your battery, if you're running out of battery in your camera, all you have to do is slide this, because this one has also like you can charge this one, and it will, and use this to charge your battery like that. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Now it's charging, see. Alright, let's unplug this. We're not going to waste our battery. Okay, let's try to turn this on. See, it's so nice. Oh, now it's on. It's now ready to use my camera. All we have to do is put the strap to make sure that we don't drop it. I can now document all my travel, all our adventure together. And I think you can do this like that. Oh wow, nice. That's it for this video guys, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye.